BestPack knows how important it is to keep your equipment running properly, especially during the busy season. That's why BestPack has created a helpful 2-minute maintenance routine to keep your equipment running at peak condition. Step 1. Clean the machine. Start off by blowing your equipment with dry air, paying special attention to all moving parts. Step 2. Clean and oil blade. Next, spray some WD-40 on a clean rag and wipe down the blades on your tape head, removing any adhesive or plastic that may be stuck to the blade. Note, for stubborn glue accumulation, apply WD-40 to a clean rag and wipe the blades. Caution, blades are very sharp and should be handled with care. Next, use an oil applicator to apply oil to the blade guard. This lubricates your blade and keeps adhesive from sticking to it. Step 3. Adjust tension knob. Double-check to see if you're dealing with stretching tape or loose tape on the tape head. You might need to adjust the tension knob to alleviate these issues. In order to loosen tension, you should turn the knob left. To tighten it, turn the knob right and adjust accordingly. Step 4. Water reservoir. Only for carton sealers that use air. In regard to the water reservoir, this only applies to solutions that use air. Push the orange button at the bottom of the reservoir to bleed off any moisture that has gathered in the main regulator. For more tips and information on how to maintain your carton sealer, visit our YouTube channel. We post new videos weekly.